Your credit score. Does it matter more than getting out of debt? If you want to get out of debt, there are a few things you have to know about your credit score. Most financial experts say your credit score is sacred, except for Dave Ramsey. According to Dave Ramsey, your credit score is also known as an I love debt score because it does not show you are winning with money, but rather it shows you how good you are with borrowing money. Your credit score does not factor in your income or your debt to income ratio. It does not factor in your savings account or net worth or anything other than how you handle debt. You need a good credit score if you need to buy a house or a car. You don't need an excellent credit score if you have a large down payment though. You can build up a large down payment when your credit cards are paid off and you have money you can save each month. The only way to have a good credit score is to go into debt, stay in debt, and continuously pay your accounts perfectly without adding too much debt or paying too much off. In other words, stay in debt for as long as you can and you can have a great credit score. If you're struggling to make your minimum payments, you could be struggling for many years and waste thousands of dollars on fees and high interest charges if you don't do anything about it. Ask yourself, is being debt-free more important than a glowing credit score? The answer is, it depends. It depends on your age and circumstances. For example, established adults who don't need to use their credit score to borrow more money are in a much better position to ding their credit score than someone who needs to have a high score for a mortgage or an auto loan. So, if you already have a home and car and don't need to borrow more money, you can consider debt relief programs like debt settlement or debt negotiation to resolve your debts. You also have to take account of how much money you're losing and how it affects your health and happiness by holding on to your good credit scores but drowning in debt at the same time. Debt lingers over your head month after month and sucks up all your money and happiness. And most of your payments are going to interest charges and not reducing the principal balance. If you want to do something about it, you have to decide how sacred your credit score actually is. If you would rather get out of debt, you can use a program like debt negotiation and get out of debt in 2 to 4 years and then work on rebuilding your credit score when your bank account is flush with cash. If you don't want to mess with your credit score, you can continue to make your minimum payments and struggle to get ahead. You can continue to waste money on interest charges and fees and keep struggling to live paycheck to paycheck. If you've fallen behind